I just became fascinated with the anatomy and the physiology of the ear, and one of those rare people that actually ended up doing at the end of medical school what I had set out to do in the beginning.
As the current director of the National Institutes of Health's Institute on Deafness and Other Communication Disorders, Debra Tucci is a nationally recognized expert in the diagnosis of and treatment for hearing loss. She arrived at Duke in 1993 after medical school and training in Virginia and Michigan, and remained at Duke until 2019. Her impact here has been significant.
I stayed because over the years I just came to appreciate so much the environment at Duke, primarily the real deep sense of collaboration that I found with other faculty.
She soon partnered with Dr. Blake Wilson, one of the pioneers of the cochlear implant, to improve the use and function of the device and make it available to low-income countries.
The cochlear implant is such a wonderful intervention, and to be at Duke where a lot of the work started has been very meaningful.
Tucci, Wilson, and Dr. Joe Farmer worked together to launch the Duke Hearing Center, which brings together researchers and scientists across the university. She further established herself as a champion for Duke by being involved in numerous important initiatives, including chairing the Dean's Committee 5-year review of the Department of Medicine, leading the task force to revise the academic promotions and tenure process, co-leading the Duke Clinical Leadership Program for 5 years, was a committee member for the 5-year review of the Duke Clinical Research Institute, and several others.
One effort that I was particularly excited about was the task force to revise the academic promotions and tenure process. So we wanted to develop a way of recognizing and rewarding faculty for all of the great work that they do.
Internationally, Tucci led the effort to develop newborn hearing screening programs in sub-Saharan Africa.
In Kenya, there was no newborn hearing screening program, so children would be born with hearing loss and not identified sometimes for years and years.
Her greatest pride, however, comes from her clinical practice, where she has helped children with hearing issues grow to be successful adults.
That is really the most rewarding thing that I could have ever imagined.
She and her husband, Kevin Van Landingham, a former Duke neurologist who left Duke after 14 years to take a position at GlaxoSmithKline, have 3 children. She might be working at the NIH now, but Tucci says her connection to Duke remains strong.
I still maintain very close contact with my colleagues at Duke and really miss them all.